Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Gemini from 20 till the end of December 2021. So watch this video if you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement, go do something else with your life, go watch Netflix or whatever. And if you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. Also, if you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. And if you don't already know, then I'm a Gemini Sun myself. So hey Gemini, I do Gemini readings very consistently on this channel, so you may consider subscribing. Okay, now let's see messages for Gemini. First we'll see your general message, and then we will go for love messages for Gemini. Gemini, I see good money for you, but I also see you feel very emotionally stuck regarding something. We will see what that is. And I also see something is going to get revealed to you, and that looks like a wish fulfillment. Okay, some of you, you're hoping for a reconciliation, like you're hoping for somebody to say something to you, and I see you are already having an idea that somebody is going to confess something to you, so your intuition is right. We will see when we will come to the love section, but that was the message that I saw while shuffling. Okay, give me general message for Gemini. What is happening? Yeah, Eight of Cups. I see, Gemini, you're trying to distance yourself from a situation, and you're trying to prioritize your mental health, your spirituality. Some of you, you've become very spiritual, or you're prioritizing spirituality. It's like you are going after peace, okay? Anybody who creates any sort of nonsense drama in your life, you're just trying to isolate yourself from any sort of petty arguments or drama or bitches, and you're basically trying to just protect yourself. I also see that you are holding on to your inner strength, so somebody might have done something which has challenged your inner strength. Okay, so you are just trying to hold on to your own self, and you're trying to make a way for yourself, and you are trying to be very strong in a situation. Something is breaking you within, like there's a lot of emotional turmoil which is happening right now, but you're holding on to your inner strength, you're maintaining your calm, and you're not giving up. Okay, so you're basically showing to somebody that it is not that easy to break you. Okay, so that's what I see. Okay, what else? Something was bothering you very much, and I see you have distanced yourself from it in the recent times. Okay, what else for Gemini? Yeah, see, Gemini, the good thing is that you are healing. Again, this is a card of spirituality once more. So we have a card of spirituality here and again. So I'm saying that you are becoming spiritual. I'm not saying that you're necessarily becoming religious. So both are different. Keep that in mind. I see there was a situation that definitely deserted you. Like you really counted on somebody, and you were really hoping that this person is going to have your back. And that's the same person who's basically ditched you. Okay, you were always there for this person, but when it was their turn, they didn't act the way you wanted them to. I see somebody was not making a decision about you, and that kind of like made you feel very vulnerable, basically. Like, you know, how sometimes when we count on somebody and that very person ditches us, it's a very vulnerable position to be. So I see somebody you really had very high hopes from did not fulfill them, and that actually deserted you. But the good thing is that you've still held on to yourself very strongly, and I see that you're basically getting yourself away from this drama, and you're focusing on your healing, your spirituality. Some of you, you're trying to take help of spirituality, tarot or whatever, and you're trying to basically work on your own growth. You're not letting all of this bother you as much. Okay, it is definitely bothering you, but you're not letting it overpower you. You are letting go anything that confines you, anything that puts you in a position of weakness. You're just letting it go, and you're prioritizing your happiness, you're prioritizing your own growth, which is good. You're basically choosing your own self. Like if there was a choice that somebody had put in front of you to choose you and them, or their drama or whatever, you chose yourself. You clearly chose yourself, detaching yourself from anything toxic that was pulling you down. It was a hard decision for you, for sure, Gemini. It was very painful as well, but you've done it. So good job at that. Okay. Anything else for Gemini, please? Two of Cups. See, I see there was a situation of love. I definitely feel there was a lot of love here, okay? So this situation is screaming that there was a lot of love and you were really hoping for a new beginning and you really hoped the situation to get balanced and you did everything that you could, but then somebody was just being very stubborn. They wanted things to go in their way, and this person has ditched you at the most vulnerable time, which you cannot really take, but then you're just accepting things for what they are. And I see that you're detaching, though it could be temporary, but yeah, I see you're detaching yourself and you're focusing on your own healing. Okay, so you're not becoming part of any petty drama or argument, and you're instead trying to focus all the attention towards you. And all of this is going to pay you really well. So, Gemini, the inner work, the growth work that you're doing for yourself, I see all of this is going to pay really well, and you're going to be recognized in a big way in something. Okay, so some of you it could be career, for some of you you could be in the public eye, whatever. I see you're going to be recognized because star card is a card of recognition as well. Some of you it might be social media recognition, I don't know what it is, but all of that work that you're doing for your growth is going to be paying you back. Okay, so that was the general message. Now let's see your love messages, Gemini, for 20 till the end of December 2021. So what is the present energy for Gemini in love? What is happening for Geminis in love, please? Present energy. See, 10 of Wands. I see that you feel very tired because of a situation. You feel that you were the only one who was doing everything, and then somebody, the person you were dealing with, was very stubborn and they wanted things to happen in their way. And if you will not do things like they want, they are not going to compromise with you. So somebody was just trying to get on your nerves, and I see you somehow feel that you were the only one who was doing things and the other person kind of took advantage of you. So some of you, you feel very burdened. It's like, you know how sometimes when we do all the hard work, but at the end of it we feel like it was all wasted. So that is what you feel right now in the moment, Gemini. And that is why maybe you're detaching yourself temporarily. You're like, fuck this shit, I'm not going to be part of this anymore. What is the blockage here between Gemini and their person, please? What's the blockage? Four of Swords and Five of Cups. Your person just do not open their mouth is what I see. And all of this is basically giving a lot of anxiety to you, Gemini. Some of you, I also feel that you've become very pessimistic in the situation. Like when, you know, one thing after the other wrong happens to you, obviously it's very natural and very human to become pessimistic. But some of you, you need to be more optimistic, because I see that yes, you're focusing a lot on what is spilt and what didn't work out, but you're not focusing on things that are still here. So some of you, you have some opportunities or you have some things to look forward to, but you are not looking forward to the positive things, but rather you're just focusing on what all negative happened to you, which is kind of worsening the situation for you. Okay, so you need to be more optimistic. And I also see that your person is very slow in action. Like this person does not open their mouth, and they are the one who's just waiting for you to do all the hard work. So that is creating a problem, and that is creating an imbalance in this connection between you and them. Your person is very, very detached and very cold. Okay, I see this person just do not speak up, or they do not speak at the right time. So that is a problem here. I also see that a lot of other people are involved in the situation. So maybe there was a like this person's family got involved, or your family got involved, or it was just their friends got involved. I see there was a lot of unnecessary chaos in the situation, which kind of ruined the situation for you and this person. Okay, what is Gemini? Empress. Gemini, the good thing here in this, that you are recognizing your self-worth. Like you are not losing yourself in the process. You very well recognize who you are, a motherfucking empress, and you're not lowering your standards for anybody. And that is a good thing. That's a really good thing. You are prioritizing your work, you're prioritizing your growth, you are prioritizing yourself. Okay, so you are choosing yourself and you're doing things that make you happy. It's like, though situation is not that good and you might not be feeling your best, but you're not letting anybody see you sweat, which is good. Okay, and I see that you've distanced yourself to protect your self-worth, your self-respect. Okay, what is coming towards Gemini in love? What's the incoming influence for Gemini in their love life? Ooh, Gemini. Gemini, you are the empress and this person is the emperor. So somebody's stubborn ass is ready to make a confession to you. This person, Okay, they first of all have a lot of passion for you, Gemini, but the thing is that you both are mirror images, okay? So I see that somebody you know and you might have walked away, you might have distanced yourself from is coming back to you, but this person, they have their ego bigger than their, you know, you know, you know if you know. Anyway, so the problem is this person, they don't like confessing, okay? They want you to do all the hard work because in the past you had been the one who was doing all the hard work. So see, yeah, like they want to just like sit back and watch the show, but they don't want to put in the effort, and that has kind of ruined the connection for both of you. But now I see this person realizes that if they do not act straight, Gemini, this Empress is going to go. So Gemini, you holding on to your Empress standard is making this person come forward to you and express what they have to say. So I see a new beginning, definitely, but I also see that both of you are equally stubborn, Gemini. Like you are very stubborn, your person is also very stubborn, and that is kind of causing a problem in this connection. I'm not saying you to lower your standards, but I'm just making you aware that your person also has a very big ego, okay? And they're not very expressive. However, with the Ace of Wands coming towards you and the Emperor, I see this person is going to do it. So yeah, somebody is finally ready to make their shit right with you. This person wants to make amends with you, and that is also because of the reason that you haven't lowered your standards, Gemini, which is very good. Like you held on to your standards, you held on to your inner strength, which is kind of making this person, both of you, they might still be very arrogant or maybe very stubborn, but they're still making the move towards you. Like they realize that they will have to. Stubbornness is not going to take them anywhere. They realize that. So yeah, definitely I see something new coming in, a new communication, a new start is coming in between you and this person. What else with Gemini? Ooh, Page of Cups. See, somebody is ready to confess their feelings to you, and this is the same person who was playing games with you in the past. This person, some of you, it could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a Scorpio, or an Aries that you were dealing with. This person was just full of games. Like they like to play games, they like to take attention, and they wanted you to do everything, but now they realize that this is not how this can go any further, and they will have to make a move. Some of you, Gemini, you manifested a relationship, like you were manifesting a connection, and I see you are going to end up with the person that you wanted to end up with. So yeah, you have been a powerful manifester all this while, and I see things are falling for you. Somebody is finally ready to make amends with you, and this is the same person you've distanced yourself from because they were taking a lot of time. How is this person viewing Gemini now? How is this person viewing Gemini? Queen of Wands. They recognize you, Gemini. They recognize you're very strong, very skillful, and somebody who's very desirable as well. They know if they will not get their shit together, somebody else is going to enter your life. This is something that they realize about you. You know the problem, Gemini, sometimes when we are doing really well in our life, we don't recognize how powerful we are, or how much of an impact we have on people around us, because we just get very used to it, right? But this person, when they see you from far, they realize that you are so magnetic and you're so good. You're also very generous, but you're also very ambitious in life. If they will not act right, you will be gone. So they realize that about you. They know that you're very desirable as well. And sometimes Gemini, they feel that if Gemini is so desirable, why would they want me? So maybe that is also something why this person takes a lot of time, because they cannot make amends with the fact that you want them. Like when so many people want you, you want them, they can't digest that fact. Let's see this person's next action towards you. World card. See, I see this person wants to take it forward with you, and they want to express the love to you. Some of you, this person was hiding their feelings all this while, but now they want to complete this cycle with you. So it's like they know that you are the one, and now they want to like do it once and for all, and they want to confess it to you. So some of you, like whatever started between you and them, I don't see that this is a new connection. I think this started sometimes back. Some of you, it's like a 2, 3, 5 years old connection, and I see whatever started between both of you, now they want to end it. Okay, like end it on a good terms. Like they want to like have a be all end all with you, basically. They want to complete the cycle with you because they realize that you are the one. And they also realize that you bring in a lot of optimism in their life. How is Gemini feeling towards this person? Two of Wands. You want them to make their shit right and come towards you. You are also waiting for this person to make moves, but some of you also feel that they are very childish. So you are having a hard time trusting this person. However, I see you also have a lot of love for this person. You want them to make a move towards you. Like you want them to decide on you. You don't want to do the decision making and all of that now. You feel that you've done whatever you could and now you're waiting. Some of you've set in your mind that I'm just going to give them 2 weeks time, or maybe by the end of 2021, if they don't make a decision, I'm going to move forward forever. So maybe some of you're setting those kind of timelines in your mind. However, very clearly I see that you want them to come towards you with an offer, and they will be. Some of it's a fire sign or a water sign that you're dealing with. What is going to be outcome here for Gemini and their person? Three of Wands. A decision will be made. Some of your next 2 to 3 weeks is going to be very significant. Temperance. I see the balance is going to be achieved, and I see you both will be working on this connection. If you want a reconciliation, if you want this connection to work, I see it has a potential to work. I see a decision is going to be made. The decision that has been pending for all this while, as this person has been very slow. Next 2 to 3 weeks could be a time which will be very significant, because I see some sort of forward moment happening here. And something very intense is about to happen here. You have been manifesting this all this while, and I see you kind of smell this already. You know what's going to happen, Gemini. You have been a very powerful manifester in the recent times. I also see something very big happening in your career. Like next 8 months could be very big when it comes to your money. So just keep that in mind. Some of you will be traveling to a different place, so some sort of expansion is going to take in your business. But yeah, when it comes to love, I see you and this person are going to work together to make this happen. You feel that you have done whatever you could, and now this person needs to do the work. Like now it is their turn. I see they will be doing it. Things are about to change. Things are about to change. This person regrets abandoning you. This person regrets not acting in the same, not acting at the right time. They want to make things right with you now. Give me message for Gemini and their person, please. Message for Gemini and their person. Love yourself first. Some of you need to focus more on your self-love. I see you're doing that already, because we saw Empress in your energy. I see you respecting your self-respect, self-worth is what is very sexy about you. Like this person really likes that thing about you, that you do not lower yourself just to have them in life. So that's something which is very sexy about you. Some of you might be having some religious or cultural constraints, so keep that in mind. However, I see a very strong magnetic attraction here. This person is very attracted to you, and I told you why they are, because you prioritize yourself, and that is something which they find very sexy about you. Like you don't run, you don't chase, so that is why they know they have to come back to you. Please be true to me. I think this is your energy towards them. You want them to be true to you. You are my twin flame. Let's make a fresh start. See, this person wants to make a fresh start with you because they think that you are their soulmate or twin flame. They recognize your worth. I see somebody is ready to make a move towards you. I want to spend some time with you away. Some of you, this person might ask you for a vacation. So like they want to spend some time with you away. And yeah, like I see somebody's getting their shit right, because they realize that if they don't, you will be gone. So yeah, like somebody's threatened by the timeline that you've put in front of them. Some of you might have asked this person to make a decision, and I see they're pressurized. So that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care, stay safe, bye.